Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making treacle bread. What you will need: 225 grams of plain flour, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 2 tablespoons of black treacle, 50 grams of porridge oats plus 1 tablespoon for sprinkling, 475 millilitres of milk. Preheat your fan oven to 180 degrees and grease a loaf tin with butter. Put all your ingredients into the bowl and then mix them together until it forms a soft, sticky dough. Now put your mixture into your loaf tin. If you have some spare oats left over, you can take some and sprinkle them over the top. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.